I said I would fill this keyhole with something. That something is actually caulking silicone. So I expected it to be very tacky or burning through, but there is no smoke coming from it, and it's pretty solid. And it's been like that for the past 2-3 hours. The fire has been burning. So I'll also have to seal this piece. You can see the smoke going through this hole. But yeah, it's holding up. So far so good. Maybe I can zoom it in from this side. Not really, you cannot really see it. Or can you? No, cannot. Ah, actually there it is. So let me just point. So that little knob over there, right where the shadow ends, that's it. And it's holding up pretty good after 3 hours of fire. This is the next day, so the fire has been burning for several hours and then it died out, but the embers were killing it for another few. So let's just check our silicone. It's still glued. There you go, you saw it. It's still glued regardless of the high heat. There's no residue, no damage, just some slight discoloration, but I don't mind. I guess this is just a build-up. It's not really damaged. At least I don't see any damage. And is this a crack? No, it's just a fold, I think. Does it crumble? Nope. So I guess you can use silicone caulking for as a sealant. Let me try to tear it apart. It definitely tears easier. Still a little bit tacky. I guess if I didn't rip it off, there would be no issues whatsoever. So yeah, it was a first quick resort or last resort sealant. I guess you could use caulking silicone. Let's see the gates. They're not moving anywhere. You can see how badly it was sealed, but it's because it slid down when it was still wet, the silicone. Yeah, I'm gonna have issues taking this down. But I guess I don't need any other sealant. This holds up just good. Right now I'm just gonna mix the silicone with this very good ash. This is a good indicator that everything is okay with the furnace. But I think I will mix caulking silicone with this just as you would mix it with cornstarch to create a mold of some sort, and see if the ashes make any technical difference.